In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix wrong payment details in QuickBooks Online. If you've entered incorrect payment information and need to make corrections, this guide will walk you through the process step by step, ensuring that your financial records remain accurate without any hassle. First, let's navigate to the correct section in QuickBooks Online to start our corrections. Begin by looking at your main dashboard and focus your attention on the left side panel. Here, you'll find various options, but what we need to hone in on is the one labeled Transactions. Click on Transactions to open up a detailed view of your financial activities. This is where all the magic happens. Once you're in the Transactions section, the next step is to go to the Bank Transactions tab. This area serves as a comprehensive log that holds all your bank transactions integrated with QuickBooks Online. It's here, in this well-organized list, that you can find the specific payment details that need correction. Take your time to scroll through the transactions, and when you see the payment you're looking to fix, click on it to open up further details. Now, you should see a link that says Payment. Don't hesitate to click on this hyperlink. It's here that you'll find the interface allowing you to amend any inaccuracies. Once you're in the right spot, simply enter the corrected payment information. Be diligent with this step to ensure that all aspects of the payment are accurate, reflecting the actual transaction as it should have been recorded. Once you're satisfied with the adjustments, look towards the bottom right corner of your screen. You'll find a Record button there. Clicking this button is crucial as it saves all the changes you've just made. Think of it as a confirmation action. It ensures that your edits are stored correctly and your QuickBooks records are updated to mirror the correct payment details. And there you have it. You've successfully fixed the payment details in QuickBooks Online. By following these straightforward steps, you ensure not only the accuracy of your financial data, but also the peace of mind knowing that your records are up to date. This process is quick and seamless, allowing you to maintain control over your financial management with ease. Thank you for joining me in this tutorial today, and I hope you found it helpful. Keep this guide in mind for any future discrepancies you may encounter, and you'll find yourself able to navigate QuickBooks like a pro.